At Gaindu, we offer flexible bush assembly solutions designed to meet the specific needs of each client. Whether you require a manual solution for small parts or automated system for large components or high production, our expertise ensures we provide the ideal approach to optimize your processes. Our automated solutions are built on two key concepts. Vertical assembly. This approach involves pressing the bushings from exterior towards the interior. It is our most versatile solution, offering unmatched adaptability to a wide range of part geometries and production requirements. Its modular design allows quick adjustments, making it ideal for manufacturing environments with high production diversity. Horizontal assembly. In this approach, bushings are pressed from the interior towards the exterior. This method is suitable for specific applications, but requires more complex tooling to achieve precise alignment and pressing. While less flexible than the vertical concept, it excels in operations where the product geometry demands this unique pressing direction. Every project begins with a detailed analysis by our proposals team, who evaluate your requirements to recommend you a solution that both technically sound and economically optimized. At Gaindu, we are committed to providing innovative and efficient assembly systems tailored to your needs.